Hello guys, I used $11 to make over $50. Now as you can see how the market is actually going, right? You see this market is actually having a little bit pullback, but it's still going to go massively up, right? We made over $100 towards this particular area, so we decided to wait a bit, right? Till this market we actually bring out another candlesticks and pull back up as usual, just like as it's supposed to be. All right. So stay back and watch us make massive profit in this particular trade. Now I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make massive profit in the market using this particular strategy I've used in this particular trade. First of all, because our equity is a little bit lower than we expected, if the market should pull back over from here to here, I think we get our account blown up with no expectation. All right. So we just have to wait a little bit. If this market comes back from here to here, we are closing with profit we've already gotten. All right. So I'll wait for the market to retest and start going back up. All right. So okay, the market have already hit. Let's see. Okay, so the market have already hit our take profit point, but it's still going back up. So we'll have to wait and see what the market is actually brought. Now I'm going to be sharing with you guys how this particular strategy works in most of your volatility 75 index trading. All right, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how we make this particular profit, and I'm going to be sharing it in details. What you just need to do is comment, share this video to as many as you can, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can be able to be getting this kind of notification and this kind of trade anytime I post. Look at how profitable we are with just $11. As you can see, it's just $11, and we're making uh over 680 something dollars. All right, this is actually account management. As you can see, it's not fake. So we are making massively in the market. How we did it, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how we do this in the details. But first of all, are you running low in your forex trading? Do you need help in growing your account? Do you always blow your account anytime you come to the market to trade or to impact in a journey of trading? All right, I think this particular video is for you. You should like, comment, and share this video to as many as you can. I'm going to help you recover every losses that you have made in the market. What you just need to do is punch into my comment section, link on my link that I dropped on my comment section. It will direct you to our group channel, which will share free Telegram channel. We share free signals in forex trading. We share a lot of educational, profitable signals that you need to see and you need to learn about forex trading. So why are you waiting right now? You can actually go right now and be the first to join and learn immediately how to trade with your small equity account or your big equity account. And also, we also manage people's accounts. A lot of people that is actually in the forex trading lack of risk management, or should I say they find it difficult to actually grow their small equity account. We can actually help you in managing your equity. What you just need to do is pull back and sit back and relax and watch us do what you can actually do the most in managing your small equity account. All right, so what are you waiting for? I'm going to be closing with this particular trade based on a little bit pullback. It has passed our take profit line. So if this market comes down a little bit from here to here, we are going to really hit a little loss, and we are going to really regret it. So we just have to take this particular profit. We just have to go home with this particular profit and wait for another day to fight. All right. So we're taking this profit. We're taking this profit already, and see how we wait for another pullback to actually participate in this particular trade. All right. So if you need account management, don't forget to punch it in my DM or into my comment section and like, comment, share this video to as many as you can, and you'll find yourself being profitable in account management. All right. So see you guys in my next other video. Like, comment, share this video to as many as you can if you want to see me more in the next upper video. Right. Have a nice good day. Thank you.